From the receiving tank, the wastewater is pushed through an oil-water separator, where much of the oil is removed. After this first process, a drastic increase in the clarity of water is already visible. After passing through the oil-water separator, water is moved into large volume blending tanks, where water from multiple sources are blended together. This blending allows for the treatment process, which will occur later in the system. From here, the water is pushed into a mixing tank, where staff can begin to introduce chemicals which treat the water. After the mixing tank, the water passes through a DAF, which is where sludge is removed. Then after the DAF, solids are removed. The solids are disposed of in piles that look just like dirt. Water then moves inside of the building, where chemical reaction tanks and clarifiers adjust the pH level of the water. Clarifiers are used to remove specific solids which are still remaining in the water. After exiting the second chemical reaction tank, the water is then moved into a cone bottom tank, which feeds the ultrafiltration system. This UF system pushes water through ceramic membranes, which remove specific solids which are still remaining in the water. After passing completely through the UF system, water is then moved into 6,500-gallon storage tanks. Water is pushed out of the storage tanks into the GAC unit. The GAC unit contains activated carbon. The GAC unit is used to filter the water even more. After being filtered through the GAC unit, the water is then pushed through a first pass permeate and concentrate reverse osmosis water system. This is where the first semblance of a final product is being created in the form of a permeate water and a concentrate water. Water that comes out of the first pass RO system is moved into a permeate storage tank. This water storage tank then feeds the second pass permeate and concentrate reverse osmosis water system. Once the water has passed through the RO systems, it's now a clean, final product, ready for delivery back to the client. The water is then moved out of the building into storage tanks. These storage tanks hold a first pass permeate, a second pass permeate, and concentrate water. BluWater uses leading technology, methods, and know-how to cost-effectively manage a wide variety of complex produced water. Their facility's advanced treatment capabilities economically deliver clean water that meets or exceeds household and irrigation standards. They provide their customers an alternative to deep well injection, which dramatically reduces reliance on disposal wells. One must recognize that no single pretreatment water technology can achieve the highest water quality alone, which is why they invest in a broad range of best-in-class technologies.